Hi everyone. Cactus turns 18 today. 18 is a significant milestone in many cultures. In some cases, you get your driver's license, you come of age, you can get married. Well, in Cactus, I think it means a transition from beyond our current editorial dominant services to a company that is technology driven and a company that looks beyond just the university sector. I think what better place to wish Cactus a happy 18 than at a university from where we can graduate. The behind me you have Korea University, and it just happened that I've had to visit Korea University today. And I thought, what better place to do this video than at Korea University?
Happy 18th, Cactus. Turning 18, I think, is such an exciting time, and I feel so excited about all the possibilities that lie ahead of us. But at the same time, I think I'm also grateful that most of us and our families globally are safe and healthy.
18 years. How amazing a journey. Congratulations, Abhishek, Anurag, and all of us. I know this is just a very fresh milestone of a great success story in our company's history and in our business. I'm sure there will be many more years of success to come and many more anniversaries to celebrate.
It's great to see how we have grown over the last 18 years. In Japan, you are considered an independent person at the age of 18. And the important thing is we have grown in many ways, not just aged. And I am very happy to share our 18th anniversary with you. So it's online. This is online, but it's going to be very, very memorable for all of us in our life. And I hope we can have a great life together with you this year too. Thank you.
Cactus turning 18, wow. I vividly remember the 10-year celebrations we had in Goa. And I still feel so good, just like it happens to all of us. As an organization, we've grown in size, in maturity, in our responsibilities, our outlook, and of course as a brand.
Hello Cactus, as we move into our 19th year, let us look back and learn from our mistakes, focus on our strengths and bridge our skill gaps. We've created a great foundation with inspired people and great technology, and now it is time to leverage that and move ahead at blazing speeds.
Hey Cactus, now that you've turned 18, you have earned yourself two important rights. One is a driving license. The license to go past competition, to go into new areas, uncharted territories, and win them all. And two, more importantly, the right to vote. The right to choose wisely and responsibly. Because hey, you're not just responsible for Cactusans anymore, you are responsible for the world at large. And yes, like we gave you a pre-birthday gift just before your 18th birthday, if you do one and two wisely, rest assured, you will get many such gifts from the M&E team. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Cactus. This Foundation Day, I reflect on what is Cactus. Is it a company? Is it Life Sciences, Editage, Nucor, and Cactus Labs put together? Is it our culture? Or is it our 1,000 plus Cactusans, 2,000 plus freelancers, 400k plus customers? What is Cactus? Or is it the 1.2 million research ideas that we have brought to life? For me, Cactus is celebration and Cactus is responsibility. Cactus is celebration for everything that we have done together, the way we have contributed to the field of scientific research, the many ideas that have come to life because of the work that all of us have done. And Cactus is celebration for the way we have taken care of each other, the way we have taken care of our Cactusans, the way we have taken care of our freelancers, the way we have worked together. And Cactus is a responsibility. Because in the current pandemic situation, world needs us like never before. We are in a great position to play a significant role in bringing scientific research to life and scientific communication, which is what the world, the society needs right now.
Hello all. As Cactus turns 18, it feels like an adventure. From a baby to a grown-up, Cactus has brought caring, trust, and fun in our lives and people around us. Today, on our 18th Foundation Day, we are much more confident, energetic, and ready for a new journey.
Higher and higher. fire before. In all avenues we steal the show, yet we'll always be one. With integrity, excellence, communication, innovation, trust and fun. Calling all captains, come together as one. Let's march towards our vision with integrity, excellence, communication, innovation, trust and fun.
Happy Foundation Day.
Happy Foundations Day. Let's cheers.
Happy Foundation Day.
Happy eating.
Happy Foundation Day number 18. I wish all my cactusans a very good luck for the magical years to come. Let us get together, dream big, work hard and make it happen. And in the words of great Joey Tribbiani, since Cactus is turning 18, how you doing?
Happy 18!
Happy Foundations Day to cactusans around the globe, and cheers to many, many more.
Happy Foundation Day to all of us. Thank you for all your efforts and hard work that makes Cactus a great place to work. Take care and stay safe. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Cactus, and happy birthday all of you, because you are Cactus.